government and our economy will have the human resource, the relevant human resource. And we want to start at the level of secondary education. And the Alalay program is really a very big part of that. In strengthening the secondary school as an institution building part of our educational system. And also, we want to create an electorate population that will participate intelligently in our democratic processes. That's what we want to do. That's what we want to, that's what we are saying when we want to say that more than legal guidelines, we are trying to build democratic institutions. And it's very fundamental, the very fundamental stage of the secondary education. So that's what we are doing here right now. This is a very fundamental and basic step in building a nation. That's what we are doing. So again, to the legal community of Iloilo, Dr. Lecter, Steve Aida, Dr. MD, Electoral Paul, and the rest of the DepEd family and our partners and stakeholders. Thank you very much for this collaboration, and thank you very much for the Alalay program.